Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Bake Bread with Becca. I know it's been a little while since I posted a video. Things just got kind of hectic with school starting back up, and I was looking for a new job, which actually I will be starting tomorrow, so I'm very excited about that. But I do have a really great video for y'all today. We're going to make pumpkin bread that's actually shaped like shaped like pumpkins. It's super cute, it's really delicious, and I think it's a really great like October kind of fall like festive bread. So I'm super excited for this. Add the warm water to a bowl. Add the yeast and leave to hydrate for a few minutes. Add the oil and whisk before adding the rest of the ingredients. Add the bread and AP flour, the pumpkin puree, the spices, the brown sugar, and the salt. Mix with a rubber spatula until the dough begins to stick together. On a well-floured surface, knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes. The dough will be very sticky. Use a bench scraper to remove it from the counter. Place the dough in a large, well-oiled bowl. Cover and ferment for 1 hour. On a well-floured surface, divide the dough into 12 equal pieces, about 95 grams each. Shape the pieces into a round by rolling under your hand on a floured surface. Flour the dough lightly, and with a long piece of baker's twine, wrap the dough loosely into 8 pieces. Tie the twine in a square knot and flip over so the knot is on the bottom. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and proof for 45 minutes. Heat up some water over low heat. Place a bowl with the chocolate on top. Make sure the bowl is not touching the water. Once the chocolate is about 80% melted, take it off the double boiler and stir to finish melting. Break the pretzels in half and dip one end in the chocolate. Leave on a plate to set. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Make a flax egg by combining the flax seeds and hot water. Use a pastry brush to lightly brush onto the proof dough. Bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Let cool for at least 10 minutes. Cut the twine and carefully remove it from the bread. Push the chocolate-covered pretzel sticks into the center to act as stems. Alright, thanks for watching. I had a ton of fun making that. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions, or if you tried this recipe, let me know how it turned out. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter as @breadwithbecca, and I'll see y'all soon with another video.